You want to learn to make authentic Jamaican turn cornmeal with gungo peas? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. In this pot, I am going to add 8 cups of water. I am going to add 2 cups of green gungo peas, them already washed, 5 pegs of garlic, 1 teaspoon pimento, 1 teaspoon sea salt. I am going to cover the pot and allow the gungo peas to cook for 45 minutes. I am going to break this coconut, cut it up and blend it. So I'm just going to cut up the coconut in small pieces so it's easy to blend in the blender. To add 2 cups of water to the blender. So this is the coconut milk that I get from the coconut. Now I am going to add it to the pot. First I am going to check if the gungo peas them cook. So them cook. I am going to add the coconut milk. To saute onion, garlic, sweet peppers, chopped scallions, fresh thyme. Going to season with my all-purpose seasoning. So that is enough. I'm going to turn off the stove. Add the saute seasoning to the coconut milk and gungo peas. Going to add a little bit of turmeric, not too much. Now I am going to mix 2 cups of refined cornmeal in cold water. Going to add the cornmeal. So you have to stir it right away for it don't have no lump. See, it start to get thick. So at this point you want to turn the stove on low. I am going to let it slow cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes the turn cornmeal is ready to serve. So it is already 30 minutes and here you have it. Authentic Jamaican turn cornmeal with gungo peas. So here you have it. Authentic Jamaican turn cornmeal served with steamed fish and okra alongside with a red striped beer well cool. Red snapper fish steamed to perfection. Nice and tasty.